Hey, have you ever wondered how much water you actually absorb when you drink it? Who knows the feeling that on a hot day you drink a whole lot of bottled water, half a bottle, even a bottle, and then you end up and you got like this water belly and you want to go for a run, you go slosh, slosh, slosh. You know that feeling, yeah? It's not a very pleasant feeling and you're wondering if you're actually absorbing any of this water, correct? Then what happened to me was the first time where I actually felt truly hydrated is when I started drinking Kangen water. And one of the reasons is that we actually absorb this water and we can absorb it much better because the molecules of the water are reduced. And that actually goes both ways. It means it goes in more efficiently and it can take things out. It is also more efficiently to help us to distribute nutrients and good things in the body. So it's a two-way street. We can absorb more of the water and we can absorb more that comes with the water and we can take more out with the water. And other waters don't have the same effect. I'm just going to show you a little trick, a little test that can demonstrate that quite clearly. So I've got 2 tea bags here, and they're just a mint green tea, not mean. I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to pour some Kangen water. And then I'm going to put just some normal bottled water. The one we saw before was acidic as well. And I'm going to take those tea bags. I'm just going to give them a jiggle. And it's quite a significant change will happen right here. This Kangen water was actually able to penetrate the tea bag and extract some tea out of it pretty much straight away. Something that you can probably try with any other water and you won't get that effect. Now this works, like I said, it works both ways. Just imagine you drink this water before you go for a run. You actually have this water absorbed and it's there for you to hydrate your body, not to slosh around in your belly. If you're taking some good quality supplements, your superfoods, your good quality nutrient supplements, take it with this water, it goes a lot further. Actually get a lot better absorption and you get a lot more effect from your supplements that you're taking. So all around is it's not just the benefits that you get from the water, but also what comes with the water will be much more efficiently absorbed. And you don't end up with a water belly that's not going to help you getting hydrated. So just a little interesting fact I thought I'll share with you.